man.
All right. Yeah. Ready. Set. Bridge is wide.
Nice.
Try not to give up ground on that, Austin.
Hey, that's good.
I know it's here, we're going to walk it through. Get in the habit.
Ready.
You got back. You got back.
Set. Hot. Hot.
What are you doing? 1, 2, 3.
Hot.
There you go, John Michael. Get there, John.
Were we off? Was that a false start over here? Yeah. There was a time when we hot.
Chop, feet, John Michael. Chop.
Yeah, just like that. Perfect.
There you go. Good. Good. You can. You can.
Come on, Evan. Back. Okay, nice. Bit of, schedule change, which we got to get used to, right? Hey, just get used to not having normalcy, right? Not having normal practice times. We're gonna have delays in our games. This is the time of the year that we got to just go with the flow, okay? We got work done in the gym. Came out of here, got a good couple hours. Hey, some of you guys are dragging. I shouldn't have given you all that week off there. It's what we built. Some of y'all were dragging butt, all right? Hydrate, come back and ready to play. Hey, we will never cancel practice, okay? We're gonna be in the weight room. We're gonna be watching film, chalk talk. Again, remind your parents, it's 4 to 6, be here at 3:30. It may go later. If we have to delay it and be here till 7, 8 o'clock, that's what we're gonna have to do, okay? We only have 14 practices to Mount Dora. 14 practices. We're gonna make everything count, okay? Hey, we're not sneaking up on anyone, all right? We are the ones with the bullseye, all right? Come ready to play every day. I'm proud of y'all. It was a good first day. We got a lot of good work. Again, helmets only again tomorrow, and we'll get to hit some on Wednesday with shells. Helmets only, practice jerseys. Captains, you good? All right, hydrate.
Clean up the
Let's
pit. Clean up the pit.
Good job. Who's breaking it down, Christopher?
Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Family. Let's go. Hey,
Weigh in, weigh out.
Weigh in.